Hi, I am Dr. Daniel Hernandez. I am prosthodontics specialized in dental implants and aesthetics in Cartagena, Colombia. My team and I are dedicated to providing you the best dental experience to restore your oral health. We use advanced technologies to achieve comprehensive treatment that stand out for their precision and quality.
We are experts in dental implants, prosthodontics, and cosmetic dentistry. Our goal is your quality of life. From your first visit, you will see exceptional results, helping you achieve the smile you have always wanted with high-quality procedures.
We are here to guide you every step of the way, answering your question before, during, and after your treatment. Our experience is designed for patients traveling to Colombia for dental tourism.
Come to Cartagena and take with us a world-class dental experience.
Change your world with a smile.